As most of the country basked in today's sunny weather, Éireann says the warm weather will continue with high temperatures forecast for next week, peaking at an expected 30 degrees on Thursday. In the UK, weather warnings and health alerts have been issued as extremely hot weather is expected, and mainland Europe is also sweltering under a heatwave.
Cooling off in a city canal, locals and visitors in Paris are trying to cope in a heatwave that has half the country under a red alert.
Maybe inside a lot, hide in the shadow and yes, go for a few swims if you can.
Temperatures here are nearing 40 degrees and could go higher in the coming days. Elsewhere in Europe, several cities in Italy are also under a high temperature warning. While in Spain, there are alerts across several regions, including the Iberian Peninsula and the island of Majorca. In the UK, an amber weather warning for extreme heat has been issued by the Met Office from Monday until Thursday, with forecasts suggesting temperatures could reach 38 degrees in some parts of England. Here at home, it's also sizzling. The beach in Laytown, County Meath, a nice spot to soak it up today.
Lovely warm day out, especially for the kids. Going out with the three of us today, and then Dad's Father's Day.
I don't see any reason so why we have to take the tickets now and fly to Spain, because look around how many people is here. It's a wonderful weather.
We actually arrived 4 hours ago, so the first place we came was to the beach, and it's absolutely fantastic.
Last month, Ireland experienced the hottest May on record, and this week temperatures are set to be high again, possibly reaching up to 30 degrees on Thursday.
It's going to stay with us over the coming few days. So that's why temperatures are going to be in the mid to high 20s for ourselves as we go into next week. And that is about 7 or 8 degrees above average for this time of year. So we are going to see temperatures in the mid 20s on Monday, Tuesday, reaching to about 28 degrees on Wednesday and possibly even 30 degrees for Thursday.
Met Éireann said there might be more unsettled weather into next weekend. Laura Hogan, RTE News.